You are about to see what happens when I'm bored. I'm playing with the electronics, and my iPhone is sitting next to me. I set up a simple Arduino circuit with a tricolor LED, or light-emitting diode. I went through 4 light phases where I would turn on and off the 3 colors with delays of 2, 5, 10, and 20 milliseconds. Up first is the 2 millisecond increments. I start off first with my camera as close to the LED as I can get. You can see the difference where the camera is able to catch the more subtle quickness of the light changing. When you pull away, it becomes more unified, and then when I move it towards the side, you actually see the blue portion of the LED because that's the side that the blue diode portion is on. Moving up close, you actually can start seeing an interference pattern primarily with the blue color. Pretty neat. Up next, 5 millisecond delays. So here we start off towards the blue side of the light. As I bring the camera in closer, you get to start seeing the cool interference patterns. I start moving the camera towards the top, but I don't make it to the very top. So you get to see the blue and the green interfering with each other more so. You can also see a little bit of yellow. When I bring the camera closer, you can start to see the red portion. And then moving the camera directly on top, you get to see the actual red, green, and blue again. And I'm moving towards the blue, and I'm moving the camera out a little bit. And you can see some neat color patterns. Up next is the 10 millisecond increments. Now with the 10 millisecond increments, you can actually see a much more slow change between the red, green, and blue. This actually allows you to see the 3 individual colors themselves. When I go towards the side of the LED, or actually I'm up top still, I'm moving in and out, checking the different types of interference patterns I get with the different varying distances I am from the actual LED. When I'm pretty much right on top of it, I'm getting this kind of pattern here. Now I back out slowly and I go towards the blue side again, and you get just a pretty blue halo around the light. When I move towards the side, you can actually see the 3, the red, green, and blue components that are in the LED. They are parallel to each other. They're not on the same location, so I get these red, green, and blue streaks. Up next is the 20 millisecond delays between the RG and B. So here with 20 milliseconds, it actually seems faster than when it was at 10. I actually don't know why. If you do, please leave a comment. I'm very interested to know. Towards the blue side, it creates a strange force field effect. When you're close, you do get some strange blue patterns. As you move out, the patterns tend to subside a bit. It still flickers, and you can still tell that it's moving, more or less, but it does create a neat pattern. When you move towards the side, the red, green, and blue lines and streaks that you saw during the 10 millisecond portion are actually more erratic, and they're dancing, which is actually quite fascinating. But yeah, this was neat. If you have any comments or suggestions or have any ideas that you'd like to share, please, by all means, share them. Thank you for watching.